I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making your environment and product safe. Choose cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil and a clean, sterile dropper. Make sure contacts are out. Once done, wash your hands and do a small patch test on the inner wrist to check sensitivity. Next, warm a single 1/2 to 1 drop by holding the dropper in your palms. This prevents shock to the eye. Make sure to sit, tilt your head back, and look up so you're ready for the first application. You'll now apply the oil carefully and build a routine. Tilt your head back, pull the lower eyelid down to form a pocket, and place 1 drop into that pocket. If you feel resistance, stop and warm the dropper a bit more. Blink gently to spread the oil. Do not rub. Make sure to use this at night for 2 to 4 weeks to assess benefits, keeping the dropper tip sterile by avoiding contact with skin or surfaces, and replace the oil every 3 months. You finish by clearing the area and monitoring effects. After blinking, use a sterile tissue to gently wipe excess from lashes. Do not use soap near the eye. Store the bottle tightly closed in a cool, dark place and discard after about 3 months. Monitor vision changes and note frequency. If irritation, sharp pain, increased redness, or sudden vision loss occurs, stop immediately and seek medical care. Troubleshooting tip: if stinging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.